Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TaxAct import from W-2 and 1099 forms step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the TaxAct website. Log into your TaxAct account with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the import section on your dashboard. Select the option for importing W-2 and 1099 forms. You may be prompted to enter your employer's employer identification number or EIN. Locate your W-2 or 1099 form from your employer or financial institution. If you have an electronic version, choose the upload option. Click Browse to find the file on your computer. Select the document and click Open to upload it. Review the information pulled from your W-2 or 1099 forms for accuracy. Make any necessary corrections in the fields provided. Once everything looks correct, click Continue or Next to proceed. You may be asked to confirm the import details. After confirmation, the system will process your forms. Once processed, you will receive a notification about the import status. If needed, repeat the process for additional forms. Finish by reviewing your overall tax situation within the TaxAct platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.